My name is Amanda Went and I'm the Corporate Lead Nurse for Dementia for Addunedau and Bevan University Health Board. I pledge against all of the aims of the Dementia Action Plan. I pledge to support my colleagues, patients, carers and third sector agencies to provide the very best person-centred care that we can for people living with dementia.
Hello, my name is Wendy Thomas and I'm a volunteer member of the Addunedau and Bevan Community Health Council, and our pledge is to continue to support the Health Board in recognising and addressing the challenges faced by those living with dementia. We are the patient's voice, and by listening to the views of the patient and the public, we are able to recognise the need for the implementation and the improvements to the services needed to allow people to live as well as possible for as long as possible with dementia.
Hello, my name is Tanya Strange. I'm the Assistant Director of Nursing for Person-Centred Care at Addunedau and Bevan Health Board. I pledge to work alongside people living with dementia and their carers, using their feedback to embed a person-centred care approach across and beyond the Health Board.
Hello, we're from the Orchard, and we pledge to continue making life fabulous for people with dementia.